So very good morning, all of you. Last session, we did some assignments. Still, you try to complete your assignments. While doing your assignments, if you are facing any problems or anything you are facing, you let me know, please, after the session completed or before the session. But right now, it's time to create our own website. I want to show you how can we create our own website. For example, a customer came to you, he's explaining you, I need a school website, I need a college website, I need a hospital website, I need an entertainment website, movies, such a kind of movie news related website I want to get. How do I get this type of news application, news kind of things? And right, so we have to create a website. So we have to create a website for that. But the customer, he didn't tell us how the website should look like. So where is header, where is footer, such an information they did not add it here. So that how do I do this, all this information, how to get the information, where to get this information? First, okay, you create one folder, college, project, web, or anything. So what I want to do, where I am saving your files, and I think I have created one folder called men folder, right? 1 minute, please. Let's go to my men folder. This is a men folder. In this men folder, I kept all your work, CSS, all HTML. Now, let me create one project. The project name is, what is the name? College, school, hospital. Let us take a name is going to be hospital, HOSPIT, hospital website we are creating right now. A customer came to us, he has an hospital, he's saying that I need a website for my hospital. The basic template with HTML and CSS, how can we do? So HTML, CSS, how can we do? And he will say, my website should be responsive because we don't open in desktop, we will open always in mobile. So it has to fit to mobile device also. Maybe the customer will say like this, okay? Right. So this is the folder. In this folder, we have to maintain some subfolders and some files. Folder structure. Any project you are creating, it is very important to take the folder structure. What is the folder structure of the project? If you can ask me, let me tell you. Name of the project. What is the name of the project, Andy? Hospital, HOSPITL. Hospital is the main folder. In this main folder, you need to create some subfolders. One subfolder for making all images of your project. All the images of the hospital project should be in the images folder. And the next one is what? Very important thing. All the styles, they are going to be in the CSS folder. They have to be CSS folder. All the styles in CSS folder. All these are going to be available here. So like this, you have to create some folders. Next one, very important folder is also going to be JS folder. If you have any JavaScript related files are there, we have to. Right now, we don't need any JS because we don't know JS, right? Leave it. But we will create a folder and you will just leave this. We don't write anything in the JS folder. But you know, CSS files will create here. All the images will keep here like this. We are going to create some pages also. The pages name is going to be index.html. The page name is going to be about.html. Like this, we are going to create many pages. Okay, like contact.html. We will create one by one, not all at a time. Contact.html. And what is the next one is going to be services, hospital services.html. Hospital, if you have any other something called careers, CARERS, careers.html in hospital, right? Whatever information, features of our hospital, you go to any website, they will show this type of information, right? For every page, we are going to create like this, and so on. Based on your requirement, you are going to create the n number of pages. But right now, we don't want to create those many pages, okay? Just we are in a practice purpose, right? So we can create these many pages. How many pages? Index to, about to, contact to. But I don't want to create all these 5 pages only. I will create index page because it's the main page. After that, I will show you about page. After that, I will show you contact page also. But remaining 2 pages you have to implement, not 3, 4, 5. I don't know how many pages. So just I'm giving an idea. So if you know how to create the home page, if you know how to create, see, remember one more important point you have to remember. You can download any HTML template. You can download from Google or wherever you go. In that every HTML template, there is one file with name index.html only. Why index.html only, sir? Can I take different name? No, you have to take one file with the index.html. Why index.html? Do you know what is the meaning of it? Index.html is also called as home page. Index.html is also called as home page. Sir, can I take then, if it is a home page, sir, can I take then home.html? Right? Remember carefully, we can take like this also, no problem. But 99% if you can download, if you can see any project, you will see a file with index.html only. Why index.html only? Ante, index.html is called a startup file of the project. Okay? In any of the web application, https:// some example.com, if you can hit enter, immediately index.html will be loaded. We don't want to mention specifically index.html here. No need to mention this file. So if you even if you can mention, even if you're not mentioning this, you will get the index.html is the output. And you see, any website you go, we don't want to mention this. For example, you see this page. If you are not mentioning index.html, you see it is saying that unknown database hello or something. It is saying so something is loading. Whatever it is going to be loading something. So some projects, if we can go there, for example, you see, I'm writing test. If you can test is not there. 1 minute, please. BMS is there. BMS project is loading. What is loading here by default? Some page is loading, right? Maybe 1 minute. Let me check in my server. Am I have any project without a index file? I will show you the problem. BMS example. Okay, this is not the thing I want to use. Pop-up, quiz, school. Okay, I'm going to school folder. Okay, na? School, SCHOL school. SCHOL school. Can you see? If I hit enter, it will show you all the file project of your files. If there is no index.html file, it will show all of your project files like this. That's why every project that you are creating, in that project, there should be a file with a name called index.html. Can you see? Index.html should be there. Remaining file names your choice. Index.html is called what? Startup file of the project. Startup file of the project. So why? Because if I just type the URL, it will load automatically index.html. And first it will look for the index.html. If it is not there, it will list all the files. So index.html is mandatory. Any project you are creating, if it is a backend, index.php. If it is a .NET, index.aspx, everything should be come with the one file with name called index. Okay, like this we have to create. So for any project you are going to create now onwards, this is the folder structure. What is the folder name? Hospital, school, college. And inside, what are the common folders? Images and CSS folder, JS folder, all these are the things. Okay, let me do one thing. So I want to go to my main location, all my files available here only. I create one folder with name called hospital. So in this hospital, do you have any folders right now? No. Let us create the subfolders here. I'm creating the subfolders. What is the subfolder name? Images. Some people will take IMGS only. Is it okay now? 100% okay. Some people will take IMGS. Some people will take IMAGS full name. They will take IMAGS images. It's okay. Next important thing is going to be what? CSS folder. I'm creating subfolders like CSS folder. Next important thing is going to be JS folder. That's all created. Na? Let me do one thing. Now I want to do this project with the VS Code editor and the Visual Studio Code editor. Go to the file menu. I think I already showed you on some point of time. So go to the file menu and open your folder. What is the folder? Hospital folder. Where is that hospital folder? It is in main folder. 1 minute. Go to the main folder. In the main folder, you have hospital folder. Select the folder. Now you see on the left side, you can see all my project. Inside the project, your sub files are there. Right. So, right, do we have any files to see here right now? Nothing. So nothing to see. We don't have anything. And you see in the browser, if you can run this hospital, what is going to be happen? Can you see here we have go live also. Unclick the go live button, it will open automatically in the browser. Can you see? All the files were able to see. It is showcasing all of your project directory. It is not correct actually. Hackers will try to hack this information if you are showing like this. So you have to do one thing. So let us see, all of you, we have the problem like this. Right now, do we have any files in this? No files. Let us create one file with name index.html. What is the file called? Index.html is a file created. Now I'm not having anything. Just go and refresh the page. If you can refresh, do you have anything to see? Are you able to see the folder? Why? Because index.html is loaded here automatically. You are not able to see. Earlier, you were able to see complete directory of your project. Now I am unable to see. Why? Because index.html file is there. This will get loaded automatically. So do you have any HTML code here? Nothing. So let us write some HTML code. And this is what? Hospital. What is the hospital name, Andy? Some name. Okay, my hospital name is ABCD Hospital. Okay, take some name of the hospital. Right, ABCD Hospital. Welcome, ABCD Hospital. Something like this. So take any name, whatever you want, you can take it. Welcome, ABCD Hospitals, Hyderabad. Yeah, Hyderabad. Like this, I take it. Right. So now you can see the title also. Welcome, ABCD Hospitals, Hyderabad. We are getting the thing. So right now, okay, I created HTML file. I created CSS and everything. I did it. The thing is what here, how to create the website. What is the structure I have to take here? Who will tell me the structure? Yes, sir. First of all, if you want to create any website, first, not only a website, even if you want to do a small blog design, also you need structure, right? Structure is required, and the plan is required. It should be like this. It should be like this. So I want to tell you one thing. Open paint diagram. Let me explain you what I am expecting as a customer. As a customer, let me explain you. So I'm taking a pen and paper. I'm not a very good designer. I'm taking a pen and paper. I'm explaining you. You are the developer and designer. So this is my website. I take in a line like this. As a customer, I'm saying you, sir, this is a header, sir. This is a header. And this is a footer, sir. What it is going to be? Footer. Some information we will keep in the footer. This is header. He's saying again, header, divide this into two parts, sir. Left side keep logo, right side keep menu items. He's just explaining us. So he's not a designer. He has an idea. That idea is taking independent paper. He's doing like this. So what he's saying that he's writing this also. What he's doing at here is here he's simply writing this is going to be logo. And he's again saying that here there is going to be some menu items like home, about, and some contact as services, carriers, something they are taking like this, CARERS, carriers, like this. This is all the menu he's expecting from our website. Okay, na? Menu. So he's saying, just because he is a layman, right? So he don't know. He's not a very good designer. He's not a Photoshop graphics designer. He's just taking a pen and paper. He's explaining us we are doing this way. So now this is done. Once this is done, he's taking again, he's saying that here you can take one section. I want to call this section as a banner section. What he's saying that this is a banner. And that means what, he's asking us to take an image here. All right, this is going to be some image. All of you see this carefully. This is an image, and on top of the image, you can keep some text also. Some text in some kind of what I want to say. Earlier, I shown you in Amazon assignment, we kept some text upon the banner now. Upon the banner, left side banner, upon the banner, we kept some text, right? The type of text I need here also, but the text should be exactly center to the banner, exactly center to the banner. Top right, left right. Oh, sorry, top bottom, left right. Wherever you see, it should be equal. Right, so that is a banner, right? The second section is this is. Now the third section is expecting us, he is explaining with simple pen and paper. So I need some blocks like this, and this is third section. How many blocks I need? 3, 4 or something. Okay, na? Something like this. He's explaining us. There should be some image in every block. This is an image. Okay, don't worry. I'm just taking rough diagram here. There should be one image or icon. After that, I need some title. This is going to be some title. Okay, na? Some title. After title completed, I need some description about this future, whatever it is going to be. Some information I want to add here. Okay, some information I just want to add. This is what he's explaining us simply. Okay, na? Right, title description. Like this, what he is saying that I need to repeat this type of blocks like this. Okay, how many? For row 3. So paste here. Draw this line. Don't worry, maybe it is going out of it. It's not a big deal, but you understand my requirement. What I'm expecting, right, like this. So like this, he's expecting 6 blocks here. Like this, it is expecting 6 blocks. Okay, no problem. Right, whatever the alignment it may be, just understand the situation. So this is what he's expecting. he's doing all this with pen and paper, but right now we don't have pen and paper. I won't show you to online. If it is a classroom, I will show you pen and paper. So online people also need, that's why we are using the paint. So after this is completed, so future section complete, our service section is completed. One line draw. So here, what he is saying that, sir, I want to divide this portion into two parts only. Like this, I want to divide this two equal partitions. In this left side, I need completely one image, some image, whatever it may be, banner image or something like this, I need only. So here, I need two blocks like this, small blocks, not such a big block. Okay, right? I'm taking like this. Okay, wait for a second. They're not the same design. You can use your own design, whatever you want. You can use your own design. This is what they will say, right? So design one like this per row, 2 items only. I don't need 4 items. All these blocks you did in the assignment, na? Yes or not, right? So I know very well. If you done the assignment, I know you did this assignment. Yes, sir. You did this assignment. Maybe somewhere I given this assignment also. Somewhere I explained you this assignment. Maybe Google something. Teams. Yes, correct. Google Teams something. We explained you this assignment. So what is our agenda? You all did 10 assignments. No? I mean, I given 10 assignments. 9 assignments are very important. If you did any one of the assignment or there, your task is very easy. What is the easy thing? Copy paste the same thing. Why should I write the code again and again? You written already the code there, na? Copy paste the same thing. You implemented already this block. Copy paste it. Why should I write it? But I don't want to copy paste. I won't write everything by my own right now. Okay, just I'm telling you that is the what reusability. Why should I write the same code again and again, again and again? That's why if we can prepare 10 assignments with proper code and responsive, whenever there is such a kind of design, copy paste the design. Don't work on it. Why should I work? So this is what making our smart work. Hard work not recognized in companies. If you are a smart work, you will recognize it. Remember, hard work is not recognized. Smart work only recognized. How good you are in copy paste, that is the recognition. If you are working hard at it, that is not going to be recognition, I'm sure. Okay, be careful. What is smart work? Smart work is always encourageable. He is a smart guy. He is a hard work guy. No recognition. Okay, in the IT industry, this is one, right? This is the layout. So now I want to create a small layout. Still, you can add more and just I'm telling you this layout.html. Sorry, layout.png, na? Layout, simply layout. This is the layout. Now I have to create this layout. To create this layout, first we have to take the structure. How to take the structure? Remember, all of you watch this carefully. This is a very important step. We will implement one by one, all not at a time. This is all going to be in one parent only. What is this going to be? All going to be in one parent. So let us come to my editor. Now I'm starting. This is going to be main. What is the tag called? Main tag. The entire web is in the main portion, right? In the main portion, I have some sub portions, right? In the main. So now you can come here now. In the main, let me divide these partitions like this, Andy. What I want to say, you take this into one section. What is the one section? Header section. Sometimes customers will ask you header full width, they will ask you. Sometimes customers ask you header fixed width, they will ask. So that we have to be very careful. If it is a fixed width or full width, whatever it may be, take the semantic element, header open, header close. And very important, Andy, when you are doing any design, it's very nice to write the comments. Header, start, header, end. It's always a good practice to write the comments. Very, very important. Comment, header, start, header, end. Because as of now, mostly you written 100 lines of code. That's all. It is not more than 100 lines. So if it is 100 lines of code, we can check easily where is what is where. It can easily identification. When we are creating website, it may be 2000, it may be 3000, it may be 4000 lines of code also. We will write it based on the requirement. These comments will help you a lot. Where header started, where header ended, this will lot, right? So now what I want to do after this done, I'm writing this is going to be header semantic element open close. Take this ID equal to header. Take ID equal to header. Inside the header, right? So this is header. Inside the header, you see what are you having inside the header? We have logo and menu. So I want to do one more thing. Let me take a div. Class is equal to header. I'm taking like this. Why I'm taking header? Again, I'm not taking directly logo and menu. So if a customer asks me full width, I will use this. If a customer asks me fixed width, I will use this. Both I want to take it. Full width, fixed width. I will tell you, maybe in this designing, you will understand why I'm taking two parents here. Actually, logo and menu. Directly we can write in the header, but I'm not writing in the header. Directly I'm not writing. I'm taking one more parent called div class header. Why I'm taking, I will explain you. Wait for some time. So this is done. Now the next one is going to be inside this. I'm taking a div class is equal to logo, and one more is going to be, you can take div navbar, or directly you can write nav also, we can take, no problem. Nav class is equal to navbar also we can take. Otherwise div class equal to navbar also okay. Because we have semantic element for representing the navbar, that's why I take the nav. We have semantic element. No sir, I don't want to take nav here, I want to take div. Okay, welcome, you can take div also, no problem. Okay, na? Right. So inside this, we need some logo, na? Right. IMG, SRC, all these images should be inside the images folder only. Yes, sir. But right now, do you have any logo? Images folder. Do you have any logos right now? I don't have any logos. Let me do one thing. Let me copy some bulk images I have somewhere in the system. Otherwise, you download. So I'm using my own. If you want, you can download your things. Okay. Right. So let us go to one of the existing project on the desktop. 10 a.m. Oh, this is not, I think, available here. 11 a.m. Go to Bootstrap images. Do you have? Yeah, a lot of images are there. Let me copy all these images. Some big images, some small images. Everything is available here. Of course, hospital image also available. Let me copy these images. Okay, into your man folder. So sorry, go to the man folder. In the man folder, you have hospital. Inside, you have images folder. Download. You download if you want. You download if you want. I have already images are there. That's why I'm going like this. Okay. Can you see all these are the images? These are the some images available with me. What it are? Right. I'm done. So now it's time to work with the logo. So what is the logo? 01, 02, 03. What is looks good? 03. 03 is looks good. Okay, copy this 03.png. So directly come here now, slash 03.png. See, suggestion is also coming automatically here, right? Okay, logo. Now you can come here now, and we have menu. So menu should be always created by using UL. UL class is equal to menu. Okay, menu. Every menu should contain li item. Every li item should be clickable, so that you have to write AHREM. This is going to be home. Like this, you are going to create multiple menu items now. Home, about. So take some menu items randomly like this. So I'm going to, home is always linked with index.html. This is going to be about, but about is not created only, but I'm linking the file about.html. This is not created yet. I'm linking simply. Okay, no worries about it. This is going to be services.html. So write the menu called services. We have to link the menu items everywhere. This is going to be CAREERS, carriers.html. Right, this is going to be carriers, CAREERS, carriers. This is going to be carriers. And what is the next one? Contact us. This is going to be contact.html. Right, this is going to be contact us. Contact us. Any other? Features, sir. Okay.
Sir, drop down menu and sub menu, sir.
Okay, we can add that too also. Right. Li open, Li close here. Maybe in services or somewhere we can add it. Okay. Right. FEATURS, FEATURS, features and features.html. Features.html. Okay. Right. These are the menu items of the hospital webpage. Otherwise, you go to some other hospital website. Right now, what is the hospital near us? Do you know anybody? Near us in the sense here, we have Prime Hospital near me. So Prime Hospital, Amirpet. This is hospital near us. They have website. Click on the website. If you can click on the website, see the website. So they have our hospitals wherever they have throughout India. So our specialties. Why can't we create a menu like this? Okay, I want to remove these, our features. I'm writing this is going to be our specialities. Let us make very complex. Why should we go very simple thing? SPL specialities, huh? SPECIALITS. Our specialities. It's a drop-down menu. Okay, it's a drop-down menu. Let us write the file name called specialities.html. So specialities.html is a file. Okay, services specialities.html. Like this you can do. I won't want to do everything. So I will tell you one and you can do the remaining thing. Okay, now right now if you can go and check this lot of book and appointment. So we have contact us now. In contact us, why should I write contact us? Let us write book an appointment. You got it, huh? What I'm telling you, book an appointment, call us, you see, information they're providing. Call us information. Right? On click this, it will open call button. How it will enable? Right? On click this emergency. Okay, no problem. You see some, if you can click this, okay, again, you are getting some information like this. Okay, no problem. See, just observe this carefully, how this website is there. How do I create these websites? So need, see, how many menus are there here? Anybody tell me? How many menus? You see, this is called top level menu. This is called main menu. Some websites may have two menus also. If it, why not? If you can go to Amazon, sorry, let us go to Amazon. Can you see in Amazon? This is all the top level menu. This is all called top level menu. This is called main menu also we can say, or else this is sub menu. There is going to be some other menu also we can say like this, whatever it is. Okay, some websites may have top menu, sub menus also. So if you want to do the same way, you can do it. See, top level menu. See, they are having this type of menu here. In the middle of this, there is a search. There is a search option, right? Why can't we imagine the way? You see, some kind of astral centers of excellence. We are getting this, see, on hover. A little zooming, right? What is this effect called? When you're hovering, only effect is working, right? You understand? Transition and transform scale 1.2 or something, we will write it, na? Right. See, on hover only it is working. Now can we see everything is, see, by seeing this functionality, we have to get the thought immediately. Oh, this functionality may be implemented like this. So this way we have to do it, right? Exactly, got it up. And some doctors, some testimonial videos, right? So like this, you see, you go to any website. So this is the reference website for me. I want to create this website. How do I create this website? See, this is how this looks like. Places nearby, Amirpet Metro Station, Secunderabad Railway Station, something they're keeping this information like this. Check this carefully. How to create a website in a sense, this is the way of taking the references. You have to take the references like this. If you can take the references like this, then it will be easy. Without references, nothing will be happening. See, this menu is fixed up. This menu is fixed on top of it. Now you see when you're hovering up, okay, fine. This is all the website. How the website is there. Why can't we create a website like this? See, just an idea. Well, just an idea I'm giving. Can you see there is a line? Under the line, we have some kind of thing. Some kind of thing. Shall we do this? Same kind of header and footer. What do you say? Yes, sir? And top header. This
Yes,
is going to be bottom header. I will do. What about you then? So I don't want subject. Okay, but you need subject. You need to take it as a challenge. Can I do this? So I will get more knowledge. I will get more knowledge. You need to get more knowledge. You need to get a. Okay, then fine. But just see, I will do this. Don't do this. You can do your own website. Go to Apollo website. Create that website. Challenging thing. So APPOLL, whatever it is, maybe Apollo Hospitals. Sorry, and click this website and see the website. How this is look like. So if you want, you can go. No problem. Can you see these are the very simple menu items? Can you see? There are 3 levels are there. This is the top level. This is the middle level, and this is the 3-level menu is there. Can you create this? And you see in the top, you see there is a social media on the left side, and there is some informations are there on the right side. Why can't we create this type of website? You see, right side, bottom, there are some icons are sticky. How to create these sticky items? Can you see? I think this website looks very easy. What do you say? Will you create this? You have to create this website. as it is. It should be responsive also. Will you try this? This is a just banner. On the banner, a slider. No need to implement the slider because we don't know how to implement the slider right now. Leave this, no problem. Okay, this just to keep the banner image only. That's all. Don't write anything on the banner. So that's all. You see how the website is going to be, right? Website looks good together. So take this as a challenge and try to complete this assignment. So apollohospitals.com and my website is Astral Prime Hospital is my website. What is easy? Apollo na Astral Prime. Everything is easy. You have to put some time and effort. Okay. Don't say this is difficult. This is not difficult. I already told you who create the website. That website 50% discount on your course fee for the first 2 people who complete the assignment. What is the website I given? Do you remember or forget? Otherwise, you have to pay the full fee. Okay. There is no discount on the fee. So if you try to do the assignment, I can give the discount for the first 2 people, and the website should be responsive. Conditions apply. Terms and conditions are there. Okay. Try to the website. What is the website I given to you on the day? I think this is the website, right? Blog website. Huh? Yeah, this is the layout I given to you. You have to create the same design like this. Take any images here in place of the existing images. You take anything, no problem. And this is a way that I want to create. Implement it. You are requested to implement this. This assignment image already uploaded to Drive. From the Drive, you can download. You can implement the same assignment. Okay, done. I'm done. So okay, let's move here. What is the menu items are there, guys? Here, our hospitals. Okay, let's take the change this. About us is not there. I'm taking home is also not there, right? So just simply I'm taking this menu. Right, first home is not there. So let's go for our hospitals or keep it, no problem. This is going to be our HOSPITALS, our hospitals. Okay, right. So here we want to write what file? Our hospitals.html is a file. Okay, so we create it. Actually, menu, right? Menu could be like this only. Okay, our hospital.html. What is the next one? Our specialty is already there. Next one, book an appointment. Okay, let us write this as a book an appointment. Book and appointment. So this is going to be appointment.html. So what is the next one? We have international patients. Okay, international PADI patients. Okay, next one is going to be contact us. Okay, keep the same contact us, no problem. We will work on the same thing. Got it? We have top level menu also, na? Top level menu, then completely right side. And you see, they are not full width. Can you see? They're available in fixed width only. But the blue color strip is completely full width. But the inside the blue color strip menu is fixed width. That's why I taken 2 parents there. Okay, I will tell you. So now this is done. And finally, you need top menu also, na guys. You need top menu also. This is what the top menu. So what I want to do, this is header. And one more thing, the header background color is different. This background color is different. That is dark blue. This is light dark, whatever it may be, light dark. So just above this, one more div I am taking. Div tag open, div tag close. Or let's take header also, no problem. Header 2 times header also we can take it, but it's not a problem. Let us take class is equal to ID is equal to top header. ID equal to top header. Inside this, let me take one more div. Class is equal to top header. HEAD, top header. Class top header something. So inside this, you have 3 menu items. What are the menu items? And need help, careers, contact us, leave feedback. Okay. Let us take this is also going to be UL, and the class is equal to, right? This is going to be top menu, whatever it is going to be. Inside we have UL, sorry, LI. LI item open, LI item close. See how I am taking the structure. That's very important, guys. Okay. So this is AHREF. need help. Careers, contact us. This is closing automatically. I don't know. Okay, no problem. Right, I'm done with it. So this is what careers are. Careers careers. Design and don't worry. Just concentrate on the design. As is the design, we have to wait. Contact us available here also. Contact us. Next one is going to be leave feedback. Leave feedback. Okay, right. This is what exactly we are having. Are you done? Yes, I'm very happy. I'm done with this. And what is the structure created here? If you can see the structure, first work with the structure. This is top menu. I'm done with the stop menu. So this is what top header. This is what the main header. Right. We have the headers completed already. Otherwise, you write the comment also. What is the comment you can write here? Write one comment. Always better to write top header. Top header and top header end, top header stop. Like this also we can write it. No problem. Right? It's always very important thing from me and you. Especially, I want to tell you one thing. Maybe you are going to attend an interview. They given the same layout. Writing comments is primary. Remember carefully. Writing comments are very, very important. If you can write the comments, they will understand how you are professional, how professional you are. So if there is no comments, you are like a fresher. If you are writing neatly comments, they will follow the standards first only. They will check the standards, how good the code is there, how neatly they code they written, or they writing comments or not. Especially for the experienced people who want to go with some fake experience, they have to be very careful. So this type of comments, if you can write, really the interviewer will become impressed. By seeing the code, they will check the code also. How good your code is, indentations and everything you have to maintain properly. This is the first thing I want to look at. So if I am in an interview, I will do the same thing. I don't want to check the design, how good you are in the design. I want to check whether you follow the coding standards or not. I want to check this. Top header, right. So I'm done with this only. Two things are completed. So what is my logo? Your logo is going to be, can I download this? This is a logo, no? Download this logo. I'm downloading this logo. Okay. Let me save this logo into our thing. Save image as. Let me save this Aster Prime logo. Just write this logo.png. No need to write everything. Logo.png. Downloaded. Where it is downloaded? Inside your it is in CSS folder. Sorry, let me copy this into your main folder, hospital folder. It is downloaded in different place. Write hospital images and download these images here. And this is the place you have to download. Destination. Replace it, no problem. Yeah. So now I can go to my thing. Let me check this how this is going to be work. Top header and footer. Now we can go refresh the page. You see what are we getting? It is not uploaded. Why it is not uploaded? I didn't check this, sir. 1 minute. Is it pasted? No. Logo. Pasted. Fine. This is done. And now you can come here in this editor. We have to change this logo.png. Here we forget to change it. Now can you see logo because white color, na? We are not able to see the white color logo in white patch. We will see it. Okay. What is the top color they used? What is the color they used for it? What is the color they used for it? So if we can go to this website, color code. How can I get the color code? Right click on this top header, inspect, and you will get the color code. What is the color code they used for it? This is the header. So are you getting anywhere color code? No. So this is the background color. Background color for what? So this is all the header. So I think that header is minimized. Right. Don't worry. So how do I get the color here? You have a color picker add-on. See, I have an add-on here, color picker add-on. Click on the color picker add-on. Move the mouse on this. Now you see you will get the color code. What is the color code, Andy? 164239 is the color code. Okay, then? Right. So let us come there. Now there is a color code. So come to where is the CSS? Have you written any CSS? No, it's time to create. Go to the CSS folder. Right click on the CSS or click the file on the CSS folder with a name called styles.css. Styles.css is the file. Inside this, we have to create the right styles. Right, first thing. Oxides and glutamate completely. Here also write a comment. Okay, now header styles, header and top header. Header styles. Okay, now got it? Why I'm writing this comment in CSS also? While creating a big website, you may write hundreds of lines in CSS also. So that I want to write all the header styles in one place, all banner styles in one place, all styles in some other place. So that's why I'm going to take like this. Okay, right. So comments is very, very important. First priority, you have to give it right. So this is going to be dot ID top header hash background color. This is the background color. Hash should be there. Okay, now, right. Can you see the background color if you can go there? This background color is applied? Not applied. Why it is not applied? Tell me anybody. Ah, very good. CSS is created, but it is not linked, right? How can we apply? No, na? So link this. So this observation identification is very important. Link, link relation is equal to what is the relation? Style sheet relation, and href is equal to CSS folder slash style.css. Now you can go and take this now, color added. What is the next color we need? This color. So you need the color code for this also. Click on the color picker. When you are moving here, now what is the color code for this? Click on this. Color code 164D92 is the color code. So I copied, I view. This is going to be ID header. Hash HEADR header. Use the same background color. Color code is going to be, yeah, is also copied. Can you see the difference here? Right, both the colors are applied now. Logo also clear now. Earlier logo is not looks good. Okay, logo looks very bigger. We will adjust the height and width of the logo. So now menu items, you can see the main website. All the menu items colors are white color, right? But in our place, they are not looks white color. They are all in different color. And these are all should be completely right side. And logo should be left side. These items should be right side. Yes, sir? Right, let's go and check the same thing. How do we do this? Let's create the same thing. The CSS. First of all, 1 minute, go to the structure. This is your top header, this is your main header. First, let us work on the top header. In the top header, you have top header and top menu. So this top menu items should be side by side, and the thing, what is the thing? The dot should be removed. Dot top menu. Display flex. Display flex. Write one property, check the output. So they're all adjusted now. Display flex is adjusted. Justify content. End. So why you are getting lot of gap here? I don't want any gap, but they are adjusting UL. In this UL, this is LI. Okay, don't worry, we will work on it. Top menu. Justify content center. Oh, I don't know why this. No, why space is there anything wrong while taking the structure? LI, everything is open, proper, closed in the top menu, display flex. 1 minute. First, top header, you take it. 1 minute. I want to go for the CSS. Top header, you can remove this forever. Okay, I don't want to make it now. If you can see, this is all the menu items. Okay, right. This menu item should be completely right side. To make it right side in the top header, right? Display flex. Justify content end. End means right side. This is what I'm expecting. Is it right side? No, this is not right side. This is center. Why that is center? Justify content.
Flex wrap.
Flex wrap also not required actually. Here we have an ample of space, right? So that is not required actually. It is not working. I need this menu completely.
Sir, margin 0 auto.
No.
Sir, if we display flex, there should be a parent now.
I need only one item. I want this one item only. That one item I want to move completely right side. Even if you have one item also, we can display flex. So we can write it top header one item. That one item I written end. Justify content end right. I think this is why not working. Equal space is occupying. Why this is occupying equal space? I don't want any equal space. Okay, no worries. Come here. Let us write top menu. For this top menu, all these menu items should be side by side, right? Display flex. Let me check this now. Are these items? Okay. Now this is still in center, but I don't want to make this in center. Okay, we will try some logic. So don't worry, the top menu. And this is also going to be fine. Flex wrap not required here. Anyhow, otherwise you write the property justify content and also will it work? No, this is not working. Wait for a second. I will find the solution for it. Maybe you have set width or something. Okay.
Sir, at the top margin 0 auto is required or
Margin
0 is
zero order will be exactly center.
exactly.
Li top menu Li. So top menu Li. List style type none. Remove this list style none or list style type none also we can write. Both anyone you can write. List style hyphen type we can write or list style also we can write. List style type none. So dots gone. Okay. Dots gone. All right. So dots gone and there should be some space between the menu item and menu item also. Let us write some padding. Top 6 pixels top bottom, left right 10 pixels I'm taking. Now you see there is some decent gap between the menu items, okay? But the color, come here now, dot EOP MUNU, top menu LIA, and the color should be white color. Take the color is going to be white color. Check this now, white color applied up, white color applied. Text decoration none. I don't want to underline. Text decoration none. This is perfectly applied. And moreover, 1 minute, I want to tell you here. We have top header, no? We have top header, ID top header, right? Let us set the width. I'm setting width 85%. All of you see this carefully. Let me set width 85%. This is not full width actually. This top header, we have, I think I have to take class top header only. So ID na class, or maybe I taken wrong class. You see, this is ID. For this, I don't want. For this, I want to take this. Maybe if we can refresh. Saved up, file is saved, right? CSS file also saved up. Let me check this. The problem is what? Is it that still something I'm doing mistake here? I don't know what is the mistake I'm doing here. Okay. 1 minute. Top header width. Why this is also full width? 1 minute, please. 85% auto. AUTO auto. With 80%, margin 0 auto event, margin 0 auto, AUTO auto. So wait for a second. So now this is then this background color we have to apply to the parent. So parent is what? Top header, because it should be full width. Top header, background color is going to be this. Now you see this is full width. And why this is not moving? Exactly. Move this down, darker downside, and let us inspect this and check it. This is what my top header. In the top header, we have top menu. Menu have some, okay, that we will work on it. This is top header. What's the property I written here? So this is a property, center, end, text end, flex end, other working. No, exactly this is center. Why center? Even though if I set width here, okay, somewhat moved on the side. Part of 1 minute. Top header. Remove these two also. Let me check this. Where it is displaying? It is displaying exactly in the center. Why this is in center? Top header ID. Okay, 1 minute. All of you, give me 1 second. Let us use the property text align. We have property text align, center and oh, this is not working. Even though if I set height width, you can come here now. Write the property text align, center and justify. No, they're all not working. Why this is not working? I didn't understand still. Display flex. It is getting space. Am I did any mistake here in the code and I don't know. Give me 1 second. What is the structure I taken? Give me 1 second. Let me check this. Sometimes you will do this type of mistakes commonly. So this is all li item, li item, li item. These are all perfect. Any tag open or missing and anywhere? Is it everything is fine? Huh? Open, close, fine. Anchors also properly open and close, right? Yes, I think this is fine. So this is the menu. This is the top header. This top header should be completely right side. To do this, let me do one thing. Here, let me take one empty div. Empty div. I'm taking one empty div. This empty div, I'm taking empty div. So top header. Where is the top header class? Top header. Go to the CSS file. Go to the CSS file. You have top header. Display flex. Justify content. Space between. Period space between. Still it is moving, but not exactly. Is it 85% correct? 1 minute. I don't know what is the mistake I did here. First, let me remove these also, or else you can comment this code. Okay, so first let me come here one by one. I am coming again. So that you can check this now. If you can go to the browser, they're all coming one by one. Huh? I want to move this to completely right side. First, let me move this to completely right side and width of it. Okay, 1 minute. Go to the editor. Top header UL top menu. No, there is some padding for this also. Wait for a second. Dot top mu top menu padding 0 because some padding is there. Let me remove the padding. Padding 0 for the UL line. There is some padding right now. It is perfectly adjusted. Now let me move to completely right side. This is going to be text align right. Is it work right? Perfectly went to right side. Huh? Okay. So let me do one thing. Width of it is going to be 80%. 85% width you can take it. And this is going to be margin 0 auto. Margin 0 auto. Without display flex I'm doing because there is only one item, right? Yeah, this is what actually I'm expecting. Right side, left side, right side, an equal gap should be there. Let us remove these dots also. So now you can come here now. You can remove this top menu CSS and maybe you try to see this, whether they are side by side or not. All this top menu. Again, full width they are coming. Li. For Li, I am writing this way. Is it fine? Okay. Because what is the problem, we don't have content in this div. We taken this, there is no content, right? That's why it is not adjusting. If you have two divs with equal content, it will be proper. But in this time, I'm not using flex for it. I'm using this solution. Okay, but they're all fine, no problem. Ultimately, our agenda is what, we have to bring the items like this. So this is fine. I'm not using flex. If I use flex, there should be two parents, then adjusted properly. But you have only one parent in the top header, right? That's why I'm using inline block. Okay, ultimately, my task is completed. So top header is done. As like you see, font size is very small. They taken. If you want to take the same font size also, you can go to the CSS and you can take the same font size. What is the font size here? I'm taking this is going to be 14 pixels font size. Is the font size is okay for you? Still reduce it. Still, this is going to be 12 font pixels I'm taking. So this is actual font size. It's okay. This is actual screen. Oh my God. So here, make it 14 only. No problem. Make it 14. Yeah, this is fine for me, sir. Next one, this is the thing. For this, we can add flex. Why? Because two items are there in this. We can add flex here. No problem. Let's do the flex here. I'm applying the flex for this guys here. So now Aster Prime, right? So, right. Let's go there and let me add this logo. Right. Come here now. Right. Now this is completed. Leave this. Now it's time to work with the header. In this header, we have two childrens. What is this is going to be? Logo and navbar. Who is the father of logo and navbar? Class header. Class header. Very important. Don't forget this. Class header. Take this is going to be class header. And write this is going to be display flex. If you can display flex, now they're side by side now. They're side by side. Okay, they're side by side. After that, justify content, space between only, space between I'm writing. So this is a space between. And you set the width also for it. WIDTH width is going to be 85% auto. This is also, sorry, width 85%, margin 0 auto. Margin 0 auto. Let us check this. But still there is some problem. I don't know. Anything I'm missing in the code, I don't know. This is, see, why this much gap is there on the left side and right side. You understand? Justify content. Why this margin is coming? Anything wrong I made? Star. Oh. The problem with here, star margin 0 ne, not auto. Oh. The problem is here, I think. Okay. Right. Why that is applied? Now see, this is perfectly working. Perfectly working. I didn't understand why this is going. So already regularly we are doing this way. Na? So I'm applying the same thing. Why this is not working differently? I didn't understand. Okay, because the problem here, auto is added automatically for every element. Auto is coming there. That's why it is look like okay, perfectly great. Now it is done. Now you can come with this. One small mistake will cause total disturbance. Small mistake in CSS, right? Okay, the menu items. Now come to the menu items. The menu items are going to be navbar. Na? So this is the navbar. In the navbar, we have menu. So in the menu, LI items. Okay, come here now to the CSS. Write the CSS here. Dot menu, display flex. Display flex. You can refresh. Menu items are perfectly display flexed na? And flex wrap is not required anyhow. You have space, but even if you can write it, no problem. If you think that content is going out of this, then okay, add it. Justify content. Fine. Here you have to write the property align item center. Why? Because aligned at center, you see, logo earlier is attached on top, right? So now it is fine. So dot menu li. Come here now. Dot menu li. Padding. First write the padding. 10 pixels top bottom, left right 20 pixels I am making. Now can you see the menu item is somewhat looks good, right? Not then right. And here also remove the padding for this. there is some padding for this menu, right? Zero padding, perfectly fine. So I have to remove the underline dot menu LIA. So for this font size 16 pixels, right? What's the next one? And the text decoration none. Text decoration is going to be NONE none. Okay. What's the next one? Color should be white color only. White color. FFF is the white color. Can you see? Right. Why dots are didn't went? List style type none. Sorry. List style hyphen type none. NONE none. So because of this, dots gone. And these are the menu items. Still, you want to increase the size of the menu, you can increase the size. I added 16. You want to take 18 pixels, you can take 18 pixels also, somewhat bigger in menu. Okay, whatever you want, you can take it, no problem. Okay, the same way I taken here. But you see, there is a on hover blue background, and there is an icon also. And you see, just besides the icon, there is a label. You want to take icon also? Take font over some icons. So you want to see as it is, you want to implement, right? So I want to take font over some, already this font over some CDN link, get the CDN link, add the CDN link to your website. Link, copy this link, font over some, copy the link. And now it's time to go to your index.html. Go to this. Here you can add the font over some library. I added. Now font over some library also added. Now we can get the icons. For the icons, we want to get font over some free icons. Font over some free icons, Google for it, free icons. So if you're not getting the exact icon, take some relevant icon. Okay. No need to get the same icon as it is. Okay. Right. So now the thing is done. We are done with it. Now, in front of the every menu item, I want to add some icons also as it is in front of the menu item. This is the menu item now. So you have to take some menu. So this is going to be hospital, HOSPA. Hospital is there now. See, lot of icons are there. Choose anyone. I am choosing this icon. We cannot get as it is the icon we are able to see. Copy this icon and paste this icon just in front of the home. Okay, na? Our home or hospitals are. Maybe here I think I have to do that. Not there. Okay. So in front of it, you can take the home icon. FA home. Taking this FA home. Can you see the icons, guys? Here we can go and refresh. You get the home icon like this, or hospitals icon like this. Okay, na? Book an appointment. Book. Okay, you search for the icon book. Close this. Vivo. Okay, book. What is the best option? Calendar. Huh? Okay, calendar. All right, correct. Calendar. Calendar like this. You can take the any one of the calendar days. So I'm roughly taking. Okay, now. So this is the rough icon. Specialties. DOCT. Doctor. Can I take this? Right, doctor icon. So like this, we have to get quick icons. International. Oh, what is international then? What is the icon for it? Global, GLOBA globe. Let us take this international icon. So the way that I'm taking is very easy. Contact us. What is the contact us icon? Call. Yeah, this call you can take it. Whatever you want, you can take it, no problem. Phone volume. Okay, whatever it is. Take this some icon. So you taken the icons also. Done. Can you go and check this now? And this time, if you can see, every menu item has some icon. In front of the every menu item, what it are? Right, we have very good to see. We are almost bringing the shape up. So we have to bring the shape. And when you are hovering, what is the color they are using? Some green color. How to get the green color code? This green color, right? Press take the color picker. Click on the color picker and take the mouse here. What is the color code? 0048BD. Right. This is the color code. Now I have to go to my editor. Now editor, when you are hovering the mouse on the LI, okay, see this carefully. Dot menu, sorry, dot mu menu LI hover. Background color is going to be the color. Okay, right. Let's go and check this now whether this is working or not. Background color is working, but you observed or not, there is a full width. That's full width actually. Full height. You see there, if you can observe, this is completely having this. How I can get the same way here also? Why we are not getting that? We are getting up to here only. So the reason is what we have to inspect this. You have to check. This is LI item. LI item is what? Padding. If you can remove the padding, so what is happening? And moreover, because of this logo, 1 minute. This is what exactly we have. You need to set height width. Maybe they set height width, I don't know. Need to check it. So flex wrap. 1 minute. I'm just checking the property. If that works fine, otherwise we will go for another way. Center, is it fine? No. Justify content center, also write it. Justify content center. I mean, just I'm checking this. If not there, we will set the height for this LI item. So padding I removed. It's going somewhere. Height, you are getting height. But why the content is not adjusting properly in the center? Maybe is a header. You written already space between you written. Line items also you written. How they written the CSS code for it, that we need to verify. 1 minute. Come here, right click on this and inspect on it. So this is the thing. Right side, are you able to see anywhere? So this is what exactly RIA max width. Oh, everything they set width also. Can we see? For every menu item, they set the width also, but we didn't set the width. We have fixed thing. Automatically it has to adjust. So we didn't set the width here, but they set width here and can you see width? Padding right, padding left. Okay, that's fine. And they set the width, but we didn't set the width. Width 10 REM. So they set the width. We didn't set the width, and they're not using display flex. They're using display block. Okay, position static, border left. This is what they are using. Okay, it's not a big deal. No worries about it. And they use it. They're not using flex actually. They're not using flex. We are using flex. If you can use display block, I think it will be full width. You see, in place of this nav bar, we are using display flex, right? Align item center and justify content space between written now. Because of align item center, if I remove the align item center, they're all top now. They're all on top. Can you see? Now, maybe if we can come here, 1 minute, UL. You see, this is there is no space also. It is occupying that much space only because of the display flex. If I write display inline block, maybe 1 minute. So let's go for the solution. So I just want to verify because of the flex wrap, it will adjust the height width automatically. So what I want to do here, because you did like this dot menu. Okay, what shall we do, guys? Shall we go with flexor or shall we go with this only? But there is no other solution actually. If you do like this, you will get a space like this only. You're not going to get much space. And for every LI item, okay, don't worry. Let us set border right, 2 pixel solid has some color is going to be FFF, white color I'm taking. Border right of the every menu item. It will be like this. But how the menu items are going to be. There is going to be a lot of space actually, but here we don't have that much space. You see, full width. Why? Because maybe 1 minute. You try to adjust the logo height also. They have proper thing, maybe height. I'm writing 40 pixels. Right? 40 pixels. Now it's working, I believe. So 40 pixels. Maybe here also, logo is not such a big logo. Logo is very small logo. But here we have 2 lines. That's why you are getting the thing like this, maybe. Okay, maybe you will do this way. So let us write the height of the logo. Dot logo img. Taking dot log logo img. Let us set some height for the logo, no problem. Height is going to be 50 px I'm taking. 50 px I'm taking. So this is the height of the logo. If you want, you can increase the logo size also, no problem. Just I'm taking the logo like this. Okay, right. And here now you are getting the thing. Still you want to reduce it. But the solution is this is, but because they use something, but we are using display inline block. Sorry, display flex we are using. They use it display inline block to display block. They use it. That's why we are getting this only actually. Is there any solution? I will find it. No problem. Right. This is the way I'm having exactly. Here, every menu item is two lines. Okay, two lines in a sense. Can I increase the padding for the menu item? 1 minute, please. I just want to increase the size of the padding of the 20 pixels only. Na? Left, right, let me add more padding. So will they come in 2 lines? Oh, this I'm not expecting this actually. Okay, can you see what is the problem? No, they are all working, but I think if you set the width of every menu item, but I don't want set width only. See, if I set width 10% width, now you see they are coming two lines now. If I set width, it will work. I know that, but I don't want to set width here. That's not my agenda. So if we can take this is going to be now. Is it fine for you? Okay, can you see? They are also doing the same thing. No, I don't want to set width. I don't want to take the width, leave it. Okay, leave it as it is. No worries about it. I don't want this much bigger thick line also. Width, don't set width always. It's not recommended actually. No problem. But I'm using flex, but they are using display inline block. There is a difference why we are not getting exactly, and they are using that. But we are using different story, right? No problem. So this is what. Right. So border, where I given the border? I think we didn't write the border here, right? Just write 1 pixel border. We need to write such a thick border. Okay. Right. This is enough funding. So now we need a drop down icon. Drop down icon should be there, right? We need some drop down icon also. I think for this, where you want to add a drop down menu. So if you can come here, our hospitals now. So if you can come here now, after this. FA, caret down, I believe. Caret down now, is the class is there? Yeah, caret down symbol is coming now. Caret down symbol is coming. Same for this other menu items also. Book an appointment. Do we have the symbol? I think no, right? There is no symbol for book an appointment. Our specialty is okay. So we are done with the symbols. Now it's time to work with the menu items under the thing. Okay, now you see this is the menu. On hover, we want to display sub menu. In the sub menu, we want to add the lot of items in the sub menu. Got it up? So we have to create the sub menu. We didn't create the sub menu yet. We have to create the sub menu. So you guys are requested take up to here. Okay, I don't want to set the height also for the image. Let it be, no problem. I set somewhere height to the image, right? Let me remove the height to the image also. I don't want to set the height to the image. Comment this line. And if we can, let us be like this. And I don't want this border also. Let me remove the border also. If you want, you can add it, no problem. Just I don't want this. Comment the border. Now I'm done with the border. Now just leave this line. No problem. Why we are not getting exactly like this? Until what is the problem? They use inline block. We are using flex. Flex will adjust automatically. Okay, now right. So here one more thing. They set width. What they set? They set width for this menu item. So that's why it is coming like this. So don't worry. Just leave this. If you can use the actually, I didn't check the property first. What they are using, flex or inline block, I don't know. Okay, but I tried it. But after that, we have we have a problem. Why the problem is coming under? This is the reason. Okay, right. No worries. So up to here, I'm stopping. You also take the same thing, create the menu. And tomorrow, these are all the drop-down menus. They are not mega menus. They're all directly drop, and there you see 2-level menus. This is what? One level. This is a second level menu also there. So if possible, you can implement the same thing. Everywhere there is a drop down. No need to take as menu items only. Just write menu item, write 1 to submenu is enough. Practice purpose only, right? We don't want to create exact repo. Does not require, just for practice purpose only. You take this. I'm trying to implement the same thing in tomorrow's session. Okay. So tomorrow we'll implement the drop downs, mega menu. Here is the menu is what? Mega menu, full width menu or whatever it may be. 3 columns menu. Can you see? This is not drop down. This is a mega menu call. So like this, I want to implement it already. This tomorrow I will implement. If you can implement one, remaining is going to be copy paste only. See, this design is different. This design is different. Both are not same. Understand? Both are not same. This is different. This is different. Okay. So let us implement the same. After that, we'll implement the banner also. Upon the banner in the middle, we have some text. Text is the part of banner. I don't know. 1 minute. Oh, this text is the. Oh, this is okay. This is a button, but what it is? Right click and check this on inspect. This is, yeah, this is also text. We have to keep exactly text inside the banner. After the banner text is completed, at the bottom of the banner, I want to keep the set also. Upon the banner, not the slider. We will use the banner section only. Upon the banner, top some text, below section. So this is the thing we are going to implement in the tomorrow session. Okay, right. So after that, some other informations like this, we will implement it. Okay, no? Some sections, not all the sections. Okay. Okay. You also do the same thing. You also do the same kind of stuff. But logo looks very big. If you want, you can reduce the logo also. What? Right. So I'm stopping. If you have any questions, let me know, please. So, okay. Oh, maybe you got the solution. Okay. So same like, but I don't want to add the height. See, I added the height because of adding height that is working. Okay, no problem. It's working, right? Actually, I have an idea, but I can do like this also. Okay, no worries. Copy the CSS code and paste this into your thing here also. We can do like this. No problem. Height, and if you can write these 3 properties exactly, it will be center now. Right now, I think all they are working like this. Got it up? Okay, no problem. Let's leave this and we will see in the tomorrow session. Right, chill. All of you online people also requested to practice the same thing. One website, everybody needs to create. One website, everybody needs to create. Tomorrow we'll show you remaining way.